This is the second part of the scan of the mouse's tendon, and here we took a 2mm by 2mm scan. We used the CL3 probe again, and in this case we also took 2 microns on the X, and then we jogged it down then we moved that down about 5 microns and took another profile and scanned across that, and basically developed 401 separate profiles across here, and we've developed this nice this nice surface rendering of that target. So let's go ahead and look at it in the 3D, and here we can see that took about 1 hour and 14 minutes. And once again, we just really overscanned just to give you a lot of data to go ahead and validate that all the data looks really good. So let's take a look at this in 3D. And let's just sort of improve the appearance of that so a little more contrast. And here you can see that we're also getting very good measurement on this surface. I mean, to actually the point where we are looking at the surface roughness of that tendon. So once again, the CL3 probe is doing very well on this surface, and we are seeing a lot of the very small surface features of this very small tendon. So now let's go back and look at the 2D profile across here on this surface, and let's go across it west to east because that's where we have more data points, and we can get a good idea of what this profile looks like. And here you can see it's 400, roughly 500 microns by about 2 millimeter. And let's zoom that up so we can look at that surface, and it gives you a better ratio of what that looks like. And so here, once again, with a click of the button, we can look at the surface roughness. We can also look at what some of these height changes are. Let's go ahead and let's show you how to do this manually. So we can, now we're looking at some of the changes in height, and also that the distance between them, where here we have a height difference of about 6 microns. So you can see we're getting really good data, and if we wanted to, we could come up and also zoom this up even more to look at that surface. And this is 110 microns over 80 microns, so it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio. But once again, just a real quick look at the data we're getting using the white light confocal probe and XY motorized stage.